That's how my tortilla wrap will look like. Marinate the chicken thigh with smoked paprika, red chili powder, crushed red chilies, black pepper, thyme, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Squeeze half of a lemon on it and rub all the ingredients on the thigh. And marinate until you lose patience. Cut the chicken into strips. Take a hot pan, as hot as you are. Anyways, melt some butter and add olive oil in it. Fry marinated thigh strips in the hot pan for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once done, dish out and let them rest at a side so that all the juices can blend in well. In the same pan, melt some butter. After melting the butter, add some honey and stir well. And after that, add some soya sauce and 2 to 3 drops of Tabasco hot sauce and dish out. Again, in the same pan, add some butter and toast your bread in it so that it could suck and blend all the juices of the pan in it. Spread some honey sauce on the hot bread. After that, shed some chicken on. And then add some greens like tomatoes and crispy spring onions on the top of the chicken. And finish off with a sauce of any of your preference. I like garlic peri because it gives some tangy flavor on it, but you can use any of your preference. And then here's your final product. And as always, don't forget to say Bismillah.